What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I got a special one for you. Guys, you know I love Focal, made in France, quality manufacturer that has a full lineup for us to choose here at Dream Media. Whether we're doing an outdoor project, a crazy dedicated home theater, or maybe just a distributed audio project, the Focal brand has it all. I'm an absolute fan, and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Focal Aria Evo X, the center speaker. Guys, this is featuring their inverted aluminum magnesium M-shaped dome tweeter with their TAM technology built in addition to their flax woofers. I can't tell you how excited I am to take this thing out of the box and take a deep dive into the technical specifications, as well as give you my honest thoughts on the performance of this product. I'm very excited to also have this unit available in the moss green finish. This color was absolutely stunning. I had the opportunity to see this at the Florida Audio Expo, as well as Expona over in Chicago, and was just blown away, and can't wait to actually have this thing in my home and do some critical listening. So you can see here behind me, we got the Focal 302 on walls featured. I got a full-blown 5.2.6 Dolby Atmos configuration here in the house. What I'm gonna be doing today is taking this puppy out of the box and setting it up, and then in future upcoming videos, we'll do complete full-blown reviews on the product. All right, guys, well, let's get this puppy out of the box and go over all the details. If you would like to purchase, reach out today for a free video consultation. Dream Media is nationwide and has installers in 28 different states to help you get it put in. All right, guys, let's get this puppy out of the box. All right, welcome back, Dream Media family. Enough talking, let's open up this Focal Aria Evo X. Okay, so we're gonna actually roll this speaker right out of the box. Right here on top, we got a little Focal handbook. Really, the whole Focal brand, guys, you really can't go wrong. I've done videos on pretty much their entire lineup, from their new Tevia Vestias, as well as the Aria Evo X's, all the way up to their Sopras. If you look back in my videos, you'll see I had the opportunity and the absolute pleasure of being able to audition and review the Focal Sopra number 2s in the brown concrete finish. And talk about dreams, guys. Those speakers are just stunning. Really contemplating, honestly, getting those for my downstairs area in the formal. You can see right here, this is a quick start guide for the full line. One thing that's really great about Focal is they make full systems here, guys. So you can get drivers and tweeters to match that'll complement this entire system. As an example, they have the number 1 bookshelf, they have the number 2, 3, and 4, as well as the center speaker. So you could use this for your full front soundstage like I'm gonna be doing here. In addition to that, you can pair together the 300 series in ceiling and in wall speakers, which I also have in this room, which feature the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeters and the flax woofers. And then for the ceiling, I have their aimable ones for my front and mid heights for my Dolby Atmos. And then I have their standard 6-inch IC6 for my overhead rear Atmos. And then we have subs too, guys. So whenever you're building your system, we can really get the full thing, every single aspect of that theater or whole home system dialed in specific to your room. They have home speakers, they have car speakers, as well as professional speakers for studios and things like that. What do we got here? Cleaning cloth, in case the speaker is dirty, we will clean it off. I'm really excited to show you guys this finish. Let's pull this puppy out. So we got our speaker out now. And go ahead and grab our grill. They got nice magnetic grills. Grills are optional. As you can see right here behind, guys, I prefer to show the speakers off. I really like seeing the drivers, see those woofers bouncing. So even these 302s here behind me have really nice magnetic grills that can kind of hide it if you don't like the look of the drivers. But of course, I just love seeing the woofers get going. So we'll probably be leaving that off here. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and take the speaker out. Oh, guys. I mean, I don't even know how well this is gonna show up on camera, but this moss green, this dark forest moss green is just absolutely stunning. All right, let's go like this and I'll give you guys the reveal. Ooh, very nice. It's just solid. Everything with Focal, even their entry-level speakers, are just meticulously built. As you can see here on the front, we actually have a nice like black leather finish. So as you can see, Focal made in France. This has their F sandwich technology. These are flax woofers. Flax is actually made in France. Really lightweight yet rigid material. Let's take a look at this tweeter because this is something they're really well known for as well, guys. They have a new version of their magnesium aluminum inverted dome tweeter. Instead of having it just flat, the tweeter actually rolls. And they've found that this new tweeter technology, the aluminum magnesium, performs extremely well in that inverted configuration. They've enhanced it, and now all of their speakers now going forward with the aluminum magnesium inverted dome features the M shape as well. I'm gonna go ahead and spin this thing around to the back side, guys. And you can see the side panels, the green side panels are on the sides, and the black leather wraps from the front all the way across the top, the back, and even the bottom. They have the nice leather finish. And then this is a ported design. You got a couple ports here on the rear. That's important to note because, guys, if you jam this into a cabinet, it's probably not gonna perform well. If the ports were on the front, that might be a different story. I'm just gonna be setting it right here on top of my Salamander Designs Chicago Ultra Short Throw cabinet, basically right over my LS800 from Epson. Here are the terminals as well. We got some really nice quality terminals here on the rear. And of course, we can always use our banana pins. This is a demonstration of the grill going on and off. Grill off and grill on. Very simple, easy to do. Focal's Aria Evo series has always been a crowd favorite, and this year, they've taken it to the next level with the Focal Aria Evo X. Trust me, the upgrades are more than skin deep. The Aria Evo X Center is the heartbeat of your home theater, delivering precise center channel effects and crystal clear dialogue that truly immerses you in the action. Focal has pulled out all the stops with some seriously cool driver upgrades and cabinet refinements, ensuring an unparalleled audio experience. Let's talk tweeters. Focal's inverted M-shaped dome tweeter is a game changer. Seriously, once you hear these silky smooth highs, there's no going back. With its unique design, reducing moving mass, you get lightning fast response times and breathtaking clarity. Plus, the aluminum magnesium TAM tweeter that's nestled in a soft urethane plate and waveguide ensures those highs are crisp without ever being harsh. Flanking the tweeter are two 6.5-inch flax mid-bass drivers, carefully selected for their lightweight yet robust construction, featuring a TMD tune mass dampener surround. These drivers keep distortion at bay, delivering every nuance of your audio with precision. But wait, there's more. Let's check out some of these highlights. The Evo X Center is a two-way design, perfectly balanced for stunning audio reproduction. It's also voice matched, which allows us to seamlessly integrate with other Evo X speakers for a cohesive soundstage. This is really important because many of you guys are reaching out to us looking for advice for full home systems, and maybe the Evo X is perfect for you, but maybe it's not the perfect speaker for every other location in the home theater, so we can hand curate a package specific to your setup. Now, let's talk about the bass reflex design. The dual rear firing ports provide deep, resonant bass without sacrificing clarity. This also has unlimited connectivity. Versatile binding posts accept various connector types for a hassle-free setup. Not to mention this sleek design with removable magnetic cloth grille. It looks as good as it sounds. So, whether you're diving into a blockbuster movie or losing yourself in your favorite album, the Focal Aria Evo X Center ensures that every word, every effect, and every note is delivered with unmatched clarity and depth. It's the linchpin of your home theater setup, and once you've experienced it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. All right, Dream Media family, well, that is a wrap on my quick unboxing of the brand new Focal Aria Evo X center speaker. If you're interested in building your very own dream home theater, reach out today for a free video consultation. We are specialists in everything technology related for your home. So really, we're a one-stop shop. If you want whole house audio, you want outdoor entertainment, you want a killer home theater, you also want some speakers in your primary bedroom, give us a ring, guys. We'll do a full-blown system design and hand curate a package to fit your exact needs and budget. We would love the opportunity to earn your business, and we're in 28 different states. You can also shop on our online store. If you know you want this speaker, head on over and shop online, and you will also be enrolled in our industry-leading rewards program for our Dream Media family. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.